Is Bitcoin headed to new all-time highs, or are we going to crash down to lower levels from here? Let's talk about it. Hey everybody, it's Joel with the Crypto Code. Hope you guys are doing well. I wanted to talk about Bitcoin today. I wanted to talk about the altcoins, and let's talk about where we are in the markets. By the way, I am in Istanbul, in Turkey, and I'll talk about some of the sights and scenes at the end here. I also did an interview today as I was walking around the town here, and I found a company that's a Bitcoin kind of exchange, like kind of a local peer-to-peer exchange network, and I was able to interview one of the employees today, stand out in front of their shop. So I'll add that on the end, plus some of the scenes of some of the things that we've been doing out here in Turkey. So we're out here celebrating a 10-year anniversary, and I'm going to be on the road for about 3 weeks now. And so I'll do a lot of market reports and give you some good content. Stick around, it'll be kind of fun. I'll show you some of the sites as we travel around Europe. So let's talk about Bitcoin. As it currently filming this just a few minutes ago, Bitcoin was back at that 95K range, and it was about 93,000 a little bit earlier today, and we've been bouncing around, just kind of consolidating in this area. Now that 95,003 level is a very, very important resistance level. Resistance means when price is coming up and fighting, trying to get up above. Now, will it jump up above and blast up above, or are we gonna tank down? Now, here's the thing. We don't know. We can never guess. We can't predict the future, but all we can do is look at the probabilities of where we're at. And right now, the probabilities are looking bullish for the month of May, but we may have a flush really quick down into the low 90s, maybe even mid 80s, which would actually be a very bullish thing if we bounce up from there. And that's the thing about trading in crypto, is you never know where it's gonna go. One of the things I love about the Crypto Code is we play the markets in both directions. And when I say play, I mean trade. We take long trades and we take short trades. We have a almost 93% win rate on all of our trade calls for the last 3 years, and we're really proud of that. So if you want to learn what we do, head down to the description of this video. You can, whoa, sorry, hopefully that wind is not too bad. You can see what we do, watch attend a workshop, and we'll actually even send you $10 in Bitcoin and give you a free weekly trade alert. So where do I think the markets are going? Well, I never like to predict where the price is going, but I do see a lot of bullish signs for the short term. One thing that we have to really consider is that we may be in for a giant fake out right now, which can happen on a one-day chart on Bitcoin. We are in the red, we're trending down, but we're trying to break above it. But many times we'll have what's called a dead cat bounce, where price will fake everybody out, it'll come up to a certain level, and then boom, will go down. Although it does look like that Bitcoin is trying to push up higher. So I think there's some probabilities to do that. So there may be some good buy the dip scenarios in the future, the future meaning now, like in the next several days. If you see price dropping down to 89,000, 90,000, 85,000, there'll be a range where it could be a potential buy the dip. Now, altcoins have been taking off, and many altcoins have seen 20% gains, and that's a really, really good sign. We may be starting to see select altcoins taking off. Now, are we going to have a general altcoin rally where every altcoin takes off and goes to the moon? Probably not every altcoin, but you're going to see things like XRP, IMX, you're going to see some of the top Solana, some of these other coins will probably, if Bitcoin really, really takes off, you'll probably see great performance in those. So again, it depends on what your trading strategy is. I just want you to remember one thing. When you're in a profitable trade, lock those profits in, because as fast as Bitcoin can go up, it can go down as fast, and all the crypto markets will follow it as well. So a lot of it's also going to depend in the month of May. We have a lot of data that's coming out, financial data. We have the FOMC meeting. Remember, Bitcoin, crypto follows the stock market. No matter what anyone tells you, it is correlated with the stock market. There may be a lot of people that say it's becoming uncorrelated, and it may from a temporary bit of time, but usually if the stock market's going up, if the VIX is going down, then you're going to see crypto go up. If the VIX goes up, VIX spikes up, stock market goes down, you're going to see Bitcoin and crypto go down. It's just what it does. Don't believe all the hype on other YouTube videos that you see that we're going to the moon. Follow the stock market, and stock market, it's in for a tough time. We may see another spike up here in the general markets, or that may have been the top in all of that. Alrighty guys, so we'll continue to do more market updates. Let me show you guys around where I am right now. Like I said, I'm in Istanbul in Turkey, and we've just been out here for the last 3 days before we jump on a 21-day European riverboat cruise. Let me go over here and kind of show you a little bit, and I am no way an expert at things here, but you can see kind of that main. This is the river here that the Bosphorus, I'm saying it wrong, sorry guys. We just got here, we're still getting over the jet lag, but we took a riverboat cruise in here. Today we went and saw the Blue Mosque, a whole bunch of other things down here, temples, mosques, churches. Food has been awesome and amazing out here. Looks like I can see a cruise ship out there. Just beautiful. If you ever have a chance to, Bosphorus, that's what that river's called, the Bosphorus River. If you ever do have a chance to come out to Turkey, boy, it's incredible. The food is amazing. The people are awesome, super friendly. Like I said, I was able to interview a company today, the kind of a local peer-to-peer crypto exchange. They've been around for about 5 years, and I'll put that interview here in just a few minutes. So guys, thank you again for watching our videos and our support. Make sure you hit the like and subscribe to all of our videos. You can learn more about crypto. And we really do appreciate you guys. We're really excited. We have several thousand people in the Crypto Code as part of our members. If you do want to check out the program, go in the link in the description, register for one of our workshops, and check out what we do. We have an awesome, amazing community. And by the way, if you are in our community, guys, we're super excited that you're here. I'm gonna keep shooting these videos. Adam's got a lot of videos going on, and the whole team has a lot of videos going on. Plus, we have a lot of new things inside the members area. I do wanna mention this here. We did just release the Golden Zone Trader trading method inside the members area, which you guys are gonna love. And I personally have had a 100% success rate with that trading method. Not to say that you're gonna get that, but I do believe that if you follow the principles that you can do really well with that. Alrighty guys, this is Joel with the Crypto Code. As always, take massive action in your life, anything you need to do. We'll see you in another video, stick around. I'm gonna play the interview right now and show you some of the sights of Istanbul. Bye guys. Hey everybody, it's Joel with the Crypto Code, and I am sitting here in Istanbul, Turkey, and I'm with my friend Enes.
Yeah, welcome.
Am I saying
here.
that right? Yeah.
Yes.
And Enes is part of this store here. What's your company called?
Yeah, Cirrus Coin.
Cirrus Coin. And I happen to be out here with my wife walking down, shopping at the Bazaar. We've been looking at some rugs and everything, and I saw this shop, and I thought, hey, let's go talk to these guys.
We have some, you know, like
saw the Bitcoin, and the ledgers, and that. So I walked in the shop and I said, hey, let me come talk to these guys and see what they're doing. So tell us what you guys do here at your shop.
Yeah, exactly, yeah. We are as a shop, and even we support crypto community, you know. We make them, to know more related to anything crypto. Even we support to be self-custody, you know, ledger product, and the other one is here you can find to buy.
Yeah, so they help, it sounds like they do maybe a little exchanging, a little trading,
Exactly.
work with the community in crypto.
Even we can help like peer-to-peer transaction.
Peer-to-peer,
cash out, like, you know.
So tell me in Turkey, how many people are into crypto or into Bitcoin? How many people?
Yeah, in Turkey we have big inflation, as you know, so easily I can say, 50% of people related crypto doing as an investment, because as you know, inflation is a big problem in modern financial system, so even we have huge. So that reason always people trying to, make, keep their set.
Yeah, so inflation, the value of a currency. I've even noticed that myself, that the inflation rate here in Turkey, the lira seems to be going crazy, you know.
Yeah, it's
so,
too high.
too
Even
high, yeah.
we worry about what gonna be, in the future.
Yeah.
Is not right for us. So crypto kind of saving side
Yeah.
for us.
So I'm curious, have you seen many people using stable coins here yet, like USDT? Have you started seeing many people in Turkey using them yet? For
Actually, in
transactions?
regulation side, I don't know clearly because there is
regulations,
no
yeah.
regulated yet. But some shop you can use USDC exactly because we are part of Europe, So but for the
So it's still a new thing here.
yeah, still new thing.
Kind of catching on, so that's awesome.
But you can find cash point. There is no problem,
Cash point? Oh, okay.
Yeah, you can get cash out.
Nice. Well, that's great. Well, it's exciting to see other people around the world getting into crypto and getting into Bitcoin. You guys have been here how many years?
Like 5 years.
5 years. That's a long time in crypto.
Yeah,
world,
when we was here, there is no any sign kind.
Yeah. That's awesome. Well, thank you for taking the time,
You're
Enes,
welcome.
to be
You're
on the
welcome.
channel.
You're welcome.
All right.
Thank
See
you
you.
very much.
Bye-bye.
Thanks for watching the Crypto Code. If you found this video helpful, please like, subscribe, and hit the notification bell for more crypto insights. Let me know your thoughts on today's video in the comments below. You can also check out what we do here at the Crypto Code by registering for one of our free workshops where we show you how we and our students profit in crypto, no matter if the markets are up or down. If you register for the workshop, you also get access to a free weekly trade alert. Attend our free workshop, take a short quiz at the end, and we will send you $10 in Bitcoin. No purchase needed. We have already given away hundreds of thousands of dollars worth of Bitcoin just this year alone. Just look for the link in the description of this video to register for the workshop. It will be worth your time. Our public trade record currently has a 90% win rate, and you can view it here. Best of luck with your investments, and remember to stay informed and stay safe in the crypto world. See you next time.